question says n be the set of natural number and a relation is defined on n cross n. That means relation is going from n cross n to n cross n. Till now we were having the relation on single set to single set, that was natural to natural, whole number to whole number. This type of relation were there, that is natural to natural, whole number to whole number. But now they are saying the relation is going from Cartesian product to the Cartesian product, and it is defined as AB relates CD. This order pair, because this is n cross n, so it will have an order pair, this will have an order pair, and they will relate if AD comes out to be BC. Means one set is, this is n cross n, this set is also n cross n. Here we have the order pairs. This is natural, natural, so it can be 1, 1 is the order pair, 1, 2 is the order pair, 1, 3 is the order pair, 2, 1 is the order pair. Same way here also it will be having order pair. So many, infinite many order pairs are there. Now it says that the AB, that is one order pair, relate with the second order pair if AD comes out to be BC. Means its first element, its second element, their multiplication should be equal to the multiplication of second and the first. So just check here, these two. If you multiply 1, 1, this is 1, 1 and 1, 1. So if I say multiply these two and multiply these two, they are come out to be same. Same way, another example I'll take. For example, if I say it is 1, 2 and here it is come out to be AD. So 2 is here and 1 is here. 1, 2 and 1, 2. Just check here. 1 into 2 and then 2 into 1. Again it is coming same. So we will say we are just going to select those order pair which will satisfy this condition, that first element with the last element of it, and this is for second element, first element multiply. And if the result comes out to be same, we will say yes, the relation is going to be there, otherwise no. So whenever you say the relation is equivalence, again we are coming on the same part, that is the relation should be symmetric, reflexive and transitive. So when you start with the reflexive first, we start with a single member, let it is AB. This time single member will be an order pair. And you should not take AA, it is not given. A single element, whatever element it is, 1, 2, then 1, 2 relate with 1, 2. 1, 3 relate with 1, 2, 3 relate with 2, 3. So let AB belongs to n cross n. And what we have to check in this case, we have to check that AB relates with AB or not. If we just think about AB and AB, just I told example 1, 2 and 1, 2. Same way if I take AB here and this is AB. Then one thing is clear, that this is AB and this is BA. And as they are natural number, they are clearly same. So we will say this, then we know. What we know in this case, AB is coming out to be BA. Then we know AB is equal to BA, and as soon as AB is equal to BA, I am getting, what does it mean? It says AB relates with AB for all AB belongs to n cross n. Therefore, what you should say, R is reflexive on n cross n. Second case, then it will be symmetric. When you think about symmetric, what we should do? In symmetric, let two elements will take AB and CD belongs to n cross n such that AB relates with CD. If AB relates CD, what does it mean? It comes AD is equal to BC. And now what I have to check, that whether CD relates with AB or not. In the rough you can check this. This I need CB and this I need DA. Can you write this? Yes, because a natural number, so we will say BC is equal to AD, we'll write first, and then we'll write this is CB comes out to be DA. And if this comes, what does it mean? It says that CD relates with AB for all AB and CD belongs to N cross N. And clearly, therefore, what I should say now, therefore, R is symmetric on N cross N, we can say. So it is symmetric also. Now we think about the transitive. So when you think about transitive, this time we will be taking three elements. Let AB, CD and EF, three elements I am taking. Let AB, CD and EF belongs to N cross N such that AB relates with CD, first condition. At the same time, CD relates with EF. Now, when you solve it, it will come out to be AD is equal to BC, first condition. And here it will come CF comes out to be DE. What I want in the question now, I want that AB should relate with EF. AB relates with EF. It means I need AF should will be equal to BE. AD and BE we need. AD and BE. It is B and then E. So what I do in this case, what terms are not needed, just check here. A is needed, D is not needed, C is not needed. So what we do in this case, first we multiply these two. So I got it AD into CF comes out to be BC into DE. When you solve it, this CD get cancel out. What does it means? It comes AF comes out to be BE. And as soon as AF comes out to be BE, what I should say in this case, this implies we should say AB relates with EF. For all AB, CD and EF belongs to N cross N. And as you got this condition, what you should say now clearly, what you should say, R is transitive on N cross N. And as it is transitive, what I should say, R is equivalence relation. Therefore, R is equivalence. Relation on N cross N. Now coming on second part of it. Second part of it says that you write down the equivalence class of 2, 6. We want equivalence class of 2, 6. 2, 6 means we want those elements which are related with 2, 6. To get this, what we do here, we need 2, 6 relates with, let it will be CD, should come out to be what? This says 2D will be 6C. So in this case, we will say D comes out to be thrice of C. D will be thrice of C. So that means C you take and find out D. For example, if I say 2, 6, then D, these are natural number only. When I put C as 1, then D comes out to be 3. When you take 2 here, then it is already 6. It's here. Then we'll take 3. When you take 3, what it will come out to be? 9. When you take 4, it will be 12. So on it goes. So any element you can take, just check. 2, 6 relates with 1, 3. Just check here. 2, 3s are 6, 6 into 1. Same way 3 9 if I say 2 6 and 3 9. Check here. 2 9s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So this will be the equivalence class we have of 2 comma 6. This is the result we have. We should keep in mind. Second question of this is relation is again going from natural cross natural to natural cross natural, where AB relates with CD if and only if A plus D is equal to B plus C. If this is the question, says again we have to prove that it is an equivalence relation. So similar question as previous one we have done. We'll start with reflexive first. Reflexive will take let AB belongs to N cross N. Then we know. Now here in this case we want that AB should relate with AB. That means sum of these two, that is A plus B, and this is B plus A must be same. So we say then we know A plus B is equal to B plus A, as A and B are natural numbers. It's a commutative property for natural number, we will grant it. And if this says, we will say AB relates with BA. AB. For all AB belongs to N cross N. And therefore, what I should say, R is a relation, R is reflexive relation on R is reflexive relation on N cross N. First part we have completed. Now coming on second part, we want symmetric to be done. When you want symmetric, in symmetric, let AB and CD belongs to N cross N such that AB relates with CD. What does it mean? This says A plus D is equal to B plus C. A plus D, because it is coming here CD. So A plus D is B plus C. And now what I want, CD should relate with AB. So I have CD relates with AB. That means I have to prove that B plus C is D plus A. That is nothing new. This B plus C, I'll take this side first. Then this is A plus D. Then you can write this as, I want C plus B. So it is C plus B and this will be D plus A. And when you do this, what it will come? AB relates with, what it is? CD relates with AB. For all AB, CD belongs to N cross N. Therefore, R is, what it will be? Symmetric on N cross N. Same way we go for transitive. In transitive, we'll take 3 elements. So we should say A, B, C, D and E, F belongs to N cross N such that AB relates with CD and at the same time CD relates with EF. When you do this, what it will come? AD is equal to BC. At the same time, CF is equal to DE. Sorry, as it's a plus here. So we should say A plus D is equal to B plus C and C plus F comes out to be D plus E. And what you want in the answer, you want AB should relate with EF. That means I want A plus F should be B plus E. So A plus F means B should be C should be removed. So add it. A plus B plus C plus F is B plus C plus D plus E. Then D and D get cancelled out. C and C get cancelled out. I got it. A plus F is B plus E. And then clearly what it will come? AB relates with EF. And for all AB, CD, EF belongs to n cross n. And hence what you should say? In this case, we will say, therefore, R is transitive on n cross n. And if it is transitive, finally what you will say? Hence, R is equivalence relation on n cross n. So this way we have two questions. These two questions we got in 6 marks in board exam. One more question like this is there that will be going in taking in next video.